Welcome back, guys. My name is Rohan Bijou, and today we're going to start a new segment, and it's called Snapshot Reviews. And the first product I'm going to review is a Geekoto Tripod. This is a sponsored video. This product was sent to me, but these thoughts and this review is all honest. These are all my own thoughts. This is not influenced by the sponsorship. So if you want to hear some honest reviews about this product, continue watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe to watch my future videos and like. So without further ado, let's get into the video and welcome to Techno Review. So first off, the packaging looks amazing. Very cool color scheme, very well packaged. And inside you do get a travel bag, just the bag itself. So when you open the travel bag, you see the tripod, you get 2 pieces of paper, and there's also like a setup manual. And also there is this separate piece which you put into the tripod, and that will unlock and lock the tilt. You also get a phone mount separately, and you get the camera mount, which are 2 awesome things. They added a phone mount, which is usually you don't find in like other tripods, but this is a very nice that they added that in. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the specifics of the Geekoto tripod. So the maximum height for this tripod is 140 centimeters, or it's 55 inches. The weight limit is 6.6 pounds, and the weight of the actual tripod is 2.02 pounds, or 0.92 kilograms. So this means it's very lightweight, easier to move around, and also it may seem very unsturdy if you just keep it out. If you're doing outdoor shots, I think it's probably easier for it to like fall down in the wind. But if you have a camera on it, it's going to be put in place, and it'd be really great for outdoor shots. The materials used for this tripod is aluminum and plastic. The plastic is for the head and like bottom of the legs, but the legs itself are made out of aluminum, and they have this nice orange tint color. It looks very nice, very classy, and I really like the color choice. The head itself, the head is a pan tilt head. Also, there is a level indicator on the tripod itself. So this tripod is very versatile. I mean, the bottom of the legs can tilt different directions actually, so it can be placed on more rocky ground, more unsturdy ground, and keeps it stable. But on regular ground, it seems a bit unstable. I don't know why. It's like sort of okay. It's adjustable, but it looks like it might tilt now and then. It might fall off, but it's kind of sturdy. So that's it for the specifics. And itself, the tripod, I've used it and it's pretty nice. I'm a tech YouTuber, so the tripod is very essential for me. Yeah, so I enjoyed it. It was some places it was a bit unsturdy, but it was sturdy in most places, so I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate Geekoto reaching out to me to review this product, and I hope you guys, if you do buy it, enjoy this product. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.